how does RV maintenance stack up against a traditional home maintenance? We get asked this question all the time, so we decided to create this video so that we can tell you how it stacks up. Don't forget, if you like this video, to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Taking my chances along with my dreams.
For those of you that follow our journey, you will know that we sold our house in 2020, our brick and mortar home, and we bought an RV and we live full-time on the road. We travel full-time. Before we sold our home, we had a lot of maintenance on our brick and mortar home. We had lawn maintenance and pool maintenance and stuff always breaking down. We had to replace the roof. We replaced the air condition. So there's always something on a brick and mortar home that you need maintenance done as well. Well, how does this compare to RV maintenance? It depends what all you need done onto your RV. So last year we had our air conditioning units replaced. We have 3 air conditioning units. And while we were traveling, one wasn't working very well, so we stopped using it because we could use the one in the front and the one in the back. And when we got back to home base, Port St. Lucie, Florida is our home base. And because RVing is so popular, it's really hard to get maintenance done. You need to plan ahead and, make those arrangements. So when you're traveling across the country, this is not something that you can get ACs replaced and stuff like this unless you're going to stay in one place for a while. So we made an appointment, and when we got back to the area, to our home base, we replaced 2 of our AC units. This cost us about $2,500. Well, the AC unit in our brick and mortar home cost us like $5,000. So yeah, the RV was like half the price of what it would have cost in a brick and mortar home. But every year we have maintenance done. And because we travel a lot, we don't stay in one place to get it done like every few months. We make a list, and when we go once a year, we try to do everything at the same time. And this year we had a lot of work done. We had a roof seal. That cost us about $1,000, and some people seal the roof like every year. We've been traveling the last few years. We didn't have it sealed, so we really needed it sealed, and we were happy, to have this done. So that cost us like $1,000. We had our slides, the toppers, replaced. You can see our toppers fit really tight and snug. There's no more tears onto them. We are super happy with the toppers. And that cost us about, that cost us like $1,022 as well. But they had, from the high winds, they had loosened up, and there was a little tear in the ends, so we really needed those replaced as well. So we had that done. Onto one of our trips, the fan in the bathroom broke, so when we were driving, the top of the fan would be like banging up and down. So we closed it, and we just left it closed until we took the RV in for maintenance, and we had that replaced. This is the fan we got for our half bath. Comes with a remote, and it works really, really well. You can hear how powerful it is, so we are super happy with our decision for this fan. It was a little costly, but so worth it. And that cost us like over $700, $766 for the bathroom fan with labor and everything. We also had batteries replaced. We had 6-volt AGM batteries replaced, and this was a big chunk of change. This cost us like $2,000. But my honey knew that we needed these replaced because when we tried dry camping, our battery would run down right away. So we knew they were on the last leg and that we needed to get those replaced. So that was really important on our list. And we had like the generator oil change. We had new windshield wiper blades. We had the front door, you know, the latch repaired onto it. So all our repairs together cost us like $6,000. But we needed all these things done, and now we're good for like a year or two. So we were happy to be in one spot, and this did take about 2 days. So we were kind of like homeless for a night. We had to leave the RV, but we took it in one morning, and the following afternoon we were able to pick it up. So that wasn't too bad, and we were happy to get all these repairs done, because when you're traveling all the time, it's really difficult to stop somewhere unless it's something like for an oil change. When our home needs repairs, we don't call a repairman. We bring our home on the go to the repair place. We are in for an oil change so that we can do more driving. See you on the road. But if you need to order parts, it's difficult because it takes a while to come in, and you know the shops are super busy. So we wanted to share with you and give you an idea if you are thinking about RVing and you are concerned about the maintenance, how much it's going to cost to give up your brick and mortar house, and maybe it's going to cost more to maintain and repair your RV. It doesn't. And the trade-off is absolutely incredible, because we get to live in different places all year round. Wherever we choose to live, we get to live. So that is the trade-off, and that makes the maintenance and the repairs like a small ticket item, because when we travel by air or by sea, it costs us a whole lot more than traveling with our RV, because we park up, we're comfortable in our own home, we have everything here, we can make our meals, we can do everything. So when you compare it in that sense, you know, for your adventure and your travel, you can't put a price tag onto the comparison between a traditional home and your RV repair. So I hope that you find this information helpful. Don't forget, if you know somebody that needs this video, share it with them, hit the like button, subscribe, and follow us for more of these helpful videos. See you on the road.